you listen really closely, the singer here is being pursued by a mosquito. You hear that? We are going to discuss them now. Let me just see if I can swap that. Kind of worked. Experts say the recent weather we've been having has created a perfect storm for mosquitoes. The insects usually disappear when it's warm and sunny, but because of all the thunderstorms we're experiencing, they are hanging around a lot longer. With the combination of high temperatures and lots of rain, more of these infuriating creatures could be flying your way and biting you. Horseflies and midges also love these conditions. Our parents talked about gnats too, but what is a gnat? Does it even exist? People working in allotments and gardens are being advised to wear long-sleeved clothing for their own protection. So have you been pestered by mosquitoes? And here is the question: are you the